Hi everyone, I'm Laurie from Journey with the Gingers, and I have been fortunate enough to have sailed on the Carnival Sunshine 6 times in the past 3 years. For 5 of our 6 cruises on the Sunshine, we've had balcony cabins, and this cabin is by far my favorite. Come along for a tour of cabin 8322 on the Carnival Sunshine. So let's take a tour of cabin 8322, which is a premium balcony on the Carnival Sunshine. When you first walk in the room, the bathroom is on the right, and on the left is a closet. The closet on your left, when you first walk in, has a shelf, and then it has another shelf that has a safe. The bathroom has a single sink, and then there are 4 shelves beside the sink. The shower has a curtain, and the shower is actually quite large. In the shower you have a clothesline. Also in the shower there is a removable wand, and there's shampoo and shower gel. The great thing about this premium balcony is that it has a very wide room. It's really about the width of 2 normal balcony cabins. Now coming around the corner, there are 2 more closets. And both of these closets are the same, and they are for hanging clothes. And of course you can put some things in the bottom. There's a very large couch in this room. I'm not sure if it can be made up into a bed, but it is very long and someone very tall could lay on this couch. In front of the couch, there's a table. And under the table is a stool, which is interesting because there's also a stool under the vanity. Guess you can use it to prop up your feet. And coming around the corner, this is just a large space beside this bed right here that you could put luggage if you wanted to, if you didn't want to put it under the bed. But there is a large king size bed in here, and it can be made into 2 separate twin beds. There are 2 reading lights at the head of the bed, and also there are end tables on each side of the bed. And there is storage in the end tables. There's an end table just like the one on the other side, but please note that there are no USB outlets around this bed. Now let's talk about the vanity. It is a corner vanity, which is quite different. At the vanity there are 2 shelves for more storage. And speaking of storage, there's also a cabinet with 2 more shelves. The refrigerator is below the vanity. And also below the vanity there is another stool. The vanity has 3 drawers, and 2 of them are pretty deep. And in the top drawer there is a blow dryer. This is just one more look at the vanity, which it has lots of room for you that want to get ready here. And at the vanity there is a phone, and there's also 2 outlets. And it has another outlet right here, but this outlet is being used by the refrigerator. This is the television for the room. It will swivel so you can watch it from the couch, or you can turn it around, swivel it around for the beds. And one secret for those of you that are looking for an additional outlet is if you come behind the television, there is an extra outlet. So we're going to put an outlet extender there to give us some more plugs. Now for the best part, or one of the best parts of this room, besides the size of the room, is the balcony. This balcony has an extended part, so it's a little bit larger than normal balconies. And what do I mean by extended? Let's see. It also has a lounge chair. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of room 8322 on the Carnival Sunshine. If you're looking for a travel agent that can help you plan your next cruise vacation, my name is Laurie and my information is in the description of this video. For a full playlist of all of our videos from the Carnival Sunshine, click on the picture to the left.